In this video, you will learn how to change the color of line in Microsoft Excel multiple line graph. Currently, you can see here I have generated this multiple line graph, and later on I have changed the color of lines in this graph. So let's learn how to change the color of line in Microsoft Excel multiple line graph.
If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos.
In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. To save time, firstly I will generate a line graph, and later on you will learn how to change the color of multiple line graph. I will select this data, go to insert option, and here is the option of recommended chart. Select this one, and I will select this one, which is the line graph. After that, click on OK. Now you can see here we have successfully inserted multiple line graph. Now I will click on this y-axis, click here, right click, go to format axis option, and from here I will choose minimum value as 100 to increase its visibility. After that, click anywhere on your sheet. Now you will learn how to change the color of these lines. For example, in this case I am interested to change the color of this line. I will click on that particular line. Now you can see here I have selected this particular line. By click on it, it is indicated by these small circles that appeared on this line. You can easily observe that other lines did not contain these circles, and only this particular line contained these circles. After selecting that particular line, place your cursor on that particular line. Now you can see here I have placed my cursor on this line and right click. Here you will find the option of format data series. Select this one. Now go to fill a line option, select this one. Here is the option of line and marker, choose line option, and in line I will select solid line. From here you can choose the color. For example, in this case I will select green color, so I will choose this one. Now you can see here we have successfully changed the color of this line. In addition, if you are interested to change the color of remaining lines, you don't need to repeat this procedure. Simply click on that particular line. For example, I will select second line. You can observe that all these options appeared here. I will again go to solid line option, and from here I will choose the color of line. For example, I will choose red one. You can repeat similar procedure for third line. I will select third line, go to this solid line option, and from here you can select any color. For example, I will choose yellow one, and now I will close this one. Now you can see here we have successfully changed the color of all lines. So by following this video, you can easily change the color of line in multiple line graph. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.